Hello, it's Fast Charlie, and what I have here is a block, an ABUS that I received from Kris, the one. Here is the key, and it's a 6-pin dimple lock. Works very well, and it's double-sided. I did go ahead and take the clip off and then stretched it out a little bit and put it back on, so it's a little bit easier to remove. I am going to attempt to pick it right side up. And also I plan to gut it, so that might be an adventure. All right, here we go. I'm going counterclockwise tension and clockwise picking. Got a little false set on 4 and a little counter rotation on 5, and then back into the false set. So that's good. Okay, that felt pretty good. Going to rock my way back up to the front. I think that was 2. Let's check 1. I'm a little bit stuck with this pick. There we go. Okay, let's see what's going on with 1. That's a pretty deep false set. Number 3 feels pretty solid. Not sure if 3 is binding or if it's something else is going on. There, 6. Got a nice click on 6. There we go, and we're open. Cool beans. All right, I'm gonna try to gut this. I wasn't sure how to gut these things, so I did some investigating after I opened the package, and I made this guy out of wiper insert. So I'm gonna give this a try here, and I need to take this clip off. I think I can actually just grab it with my hand. Almost. Okay. I'm going to take it out for a second, see if I can finagle it out. There we go. Okay, now I'll put it back in. Okay, it's in there nice and solidly. And yeah, so I'm gonna pull down on this little holder while I do my best to pull the core out. I'm not sure the best way to do it. That's not it. Okay. And the pins are that way. Okay. There's that. I'm gonna leave that right there for now. And I'm gonna try to hold a flashlight in my mouth. All right, I don't think that's gonna work very well, but we've got a spool and, oops, 6. Another spool. Oh. That was another spool in 4. Standard in 3. That's full. And a spool. It's hard to talk with a flashlight in your mouth. All right. And I did clean it off before I did this video because I thought I might have to do that. Okay, and springs. They'll all be, I believe, steel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, don't want to dump those. Okay, I am going to readjust the camera just a little because, boy, it's hard to see what's going on there. Can't wait to get back down in the basement. It's still drying out. Okay. And in 1, we've got a spool. I'll show these. That's a cool spool. In 2, spool in 3, spool in 4, a spool in 5 in the key pin, and that's like a reduced diameter. Okay, and nothing has been done here. Gee whiz, this light. Okay. Yep, all standard. And the Bible, of course, is all standard stuff. Man, that's okay. And I'm going to go over these pins real quick because they're pretty cool. One key pin is a spool. One driver is this spool. It's a long spool. And they're all steel springs. Two is a spool. Two driver is that long spool, just like in one. Three is also a spool. Three driver is a standard. Four key is a spool. And then another one of these cool spools as a driver. 5 is a spool. It's almost like a little bit mushroomy. Yeah, that's almost like a little mushroom. Number 5 driver is a spool. And then number 6 key pin, it's got this, it's like a little bit of a reduced diameter. Cool. And then number 6 driver is also one of these cool long spools. All right, well, I'm very proud of myself. This is actually the first dimple lock I've ever picked successfully, and it was a lot of fun. And I'm also proud of myself for making this doodad, and it actually worked. Well, and yeah, should be fun putting it back together though. All right, well, Kris, again, thank you for everything that you sent to me. I think this means I should step up to a multi-lock and or other dimple locks. And yeah, thank you very much. It was a lot of fun. And as always, be good and be well.